Hey, I'm working on a set of 340 Chrysler heads. I put a full set of valve guides in them, hardened seats, and I did a bunch of port work to them. So the last thing I'm going to do is get rid of this little bump right here where that valve cover bolt comes down into the port. That will really disrupt the air going down into the bowls there. I'm not going to bother port matching these. I'm just going to get rid of this bump. Hey, happy Friday. How you doing? Hey, where you been? Well, my channel got hacked and I just now recovered it. Boy, what a pain in the ass. I know on the last video I'm working on these Dodge heads. I said it was a final port work, but I'm going to do a little bit of work to the intake runners and take a little bump out of them. So here we go. Here we go. This one doesn't have very much at all. A little bit. Okay, here's what we ended up with. Now I'm going to get in here and get rid of this right here. This is pretty raised up. There's a port on the other head too, with just a little bit in it. I'm going to grind that out. Alright, now this end cylinder's got a couple little chisel marks where there was probably some slag from the factory and they just kind of karate chopped it off. And this is going to really be just nothing here. There's just a little sharp edge. I'm just going to bump it off. Just got rid of them high spots. And so these exhaust ports, I'm not going to do anything to them. You know, obviously I could spend hours and hours on these heads. You always got to figure out where to stop. So there's really no big bumps or burrs in the exhaust. So I'm going to leave them alone. Well, look who showed up. Hey buddy. How you doing, Bear? Are you sleeping? You need petted? Of course he needs petted. Bear always needs petted. Huh? Yeah, you do. There you go. Now they're ready to assemble. Well, they're not ready to assemble. I got to surface them and then wash them and paint them. I got all brand new parts going in them. New stainless steel valves, comp springs, matching retainers, new locks and seals. But I'm sure happy to get my channel back. It was quite a mess to get it back. YouTube made me jump through a lot of hoops. Anyways, you guys will have to come back and see me again. Meantime, you guys be nice to each other. Bye.